Do people actually treat you nice in Gorilla Tag when you're new? Well, let's find out.
Over here. Theo! He's over here.
Oh, wait, hold on.
It's
Come on.
Theo.
We gotta get up here.
This is kind of... Okay. Try jumping from, like, right here.
Okay. Huh?
Try jump like your hardest.
Wait, hold on. Let's go over here. Alright.
Here, let's go in a... I want to get in a private code. Let's
Wait,
go.
hold on. Look.
Here, come here. Come here. Wait, you have cosmetics?
Do you know who I am?
Oh, no, this is a minigame vlog.
Do you know who I am? I'm a YouTuber.
I care.
I have a question. No, you're not.
Why does no one ever know me, bro?